Hey everyone, today we are going to make one participation form for Tasmania Marathon competition, which is organized by a Tasmanian club, I think. So let's make it Tasmania Marathon competition. Let's make it name. Email address. Let's make one quick and good form here. Water. So this. Let's make this. Application is phone number. You can make this. In phone number format. This can be written in phone number. This link you want by email and now at gmail.com. One moment. It's not good. Let's make it. Now how it looks like. Isn't it good? Isn't it good? Is it looks good? Yeah, we can make it. We can decorate it in a better way. We can use the outlines. Yeah. How is this? Tasmania Marathon competition participation form. So, if any kind of participation form, if anything going to organize, you can make this kind of participation form, which is short, simple, and looking simple. Yeah, and you can take the necessary information from the candidates, from the participants. So how is it, guys? Do you like this video or not? Does it really worth it for you or not? Please let me know. Please comment here.